I so dig doing Triple D on the East Coast. One of the main reasons is all the history. Here I am, Providence, Rhode Island, at a family-owned restaurant that's been open for more than 62 years. Now, a lot of businesses have come and gone in this area, but not this joint. They're still serving great food at reasonable prices to college students, because that's what Louie's Family Restaurant is all about.
Meatloaf dinner!
Everyone knows about it.
It's just kind of like a tradition.
Coming here, it's like family. It's like having breakfast or dinner in your home.
The #1 overhead?
It's cheap, it's huge.
Good food?
Great food.
Thanks to John Gianfrancesco
Western with cheese up?
and his brother Albert.
Good.
Louis is Louis, the way it's always been.
And Louis was your dad.
Yeah, he was a cook in the Army.
And when he got out, he opened this joint.
Thank you.
53 years later, the boys took over,
Turkey dinner up?
serving scratch-made favorites
The same as the first time I walked in the door.
and old standards done John's way.
Barbecue chicken ravioli.
Johnny always gives us surprises. It's fun.
I've never had a barbecue chicken ravioli.
Today you will. We need to make a barbecue sauce.
Tomato sauce and onions,
Honey, vinegar, orange juice,
garlic, the paprika, red chili flake,
coriander, sage,
the oregano,
pepper, salt.
rosemary, parsley, and then caramel coloring that makes it dark brown.
That's it.
16 items, 16 tickets to Flavor Town. All aboard. Can't believe I just said the all aboard part. Okay, so the sauce is done.
We're gonna put it on the chicken.
So we make sure that the sauce gets on the flesh.
And we want to make sure that they're gonna taste it.
Now we're gonna go to the oven with this?
Yes.
How long?
2 hours.
What temperature?
About 300. Maybe we'll raise it up later.
If we're feeling wild. The chicken ready?
Yep, little warm.
Let it cool down and then shred it.
We're gonna cut it little chunks. Chicken in the bowl. We'll cut the cheese,
Frozen spinach.
parsley, risotto that we made.
A whole bunch of cheddar and jack. Some Parmesan. Just easier if I say it for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. White onions and some mozzarella.
Then we're gonna put 6 eggs.
What are we gonna mix all this in there, Johnny?
It seems like
Tell us what we got,
our
Johnny.
bowl is a little small.
Yeah. Woo!
Wow, that's a good size bowl.
Okay, so the eggs go in. Gonna whisk those up. Whisk which? Or just use a
We're gonna
spoon.
use our hand. We kind of have to work it a bit.
Whose recipe is this?
Father had a cheese ravioli without the chicken and the risotto
Now we grab the dough.
that we made. Put flour everywhere.
Start it out on the highest number first. You gotta do it a couple times the big way. Dial it down to, whoa, you're gonna go that fast. Even on the edge.
I can play that. All right, now it's your turn.
You want me to do the doling out of the...
Yes.
Okay, I just know that we can't have it on the edges.
Looking good.
Now, how many come with an order?
12, that's one order.
12, that's
Making
one order? Get after it, Rocky. So now these are done?
Yes.
Now that is a stuffed ravioli. Boil them in a little salt water till they float.
There you go. They're ready. That's your 12.
And top them with some marinara. Hey, that's only 10.
And I'll make sure I don't get left out.
You only gave me 10. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the huge pieces of chicken that are in there. That right there is as good as any ravioli you will find off the hook. Look at the spinach, the cheese, stuffed full. That's just awesome. Made the barbecue sauce, barbecued the chicken, made the marinara, and handmade the ravioli. Yeah, common, every day. See it every time.
They're really good.
One of my favorites.
Tastes like he knows what he's doing.
Spinach pie going out.
Everything's meant to please the customer.
I like you can get a turkey dinner at 11 o'clock.
Or if you need lasagna at 5 in the morning.
Hash up.
Corned beef hash from scratch.
Grilled pumpkin muffin. You just know it's golden.
Totally delicious. Totally.
Blueberry pancakes.
Pumpkin pancakes. There's just so many options.
I got the granola pancakes.
Yep, with homemade granola.
These are so good.
Granola pancakes. Be interesting. Like everything here is.
Some old-fashioned oats, some wheat germ.
Oh, getting healthy on this.
Now some bran. It's gonna make a nice strudely kind of thing when it's done.
Strudely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sesame seed. I'm gonna put this in the oven about a half hour at 250, 300. It smells toasty, doesn't it?
It does smell toasty.
We're gonna add some fruit.
Blueberries and cranberries?
Yeah, just another 10 minutes in the oven.
Just for granola. Smells good.
We're gonna add some cinnamon, honey, and some maple syrup, raisins too.
I'm gonna stir it into this.
Yes.
A little more honey.
Yeah.
You like my drizzling technique?
Yes, that's it. Now we're gonna make Louis' pancake batter from his Army cookbook. Eggs and sugar. Instead of lard, we're gonna use corn oil. Milk.
I didn't bring my Gallagher shield.
Now we're gonna add some spice. Nutmeg, that's how little actually. Turmeric.
Turmeric and pancake batter.
Vanilla with a little touch of rum in it.
Vanilla with rum.
Louis like rum. And now our dry ingredients, full-strength flour and cake flour and baking powder. Instead of sifting, we're rubbing.
He's rubbing, we're watching,
And this goes in there.
I'm gonna whisk.
Go ahead, go ahead.
There you go. Don't let me get ahead of it or anything. Just dump it right in.
Oh, that's-
Now we're gonna dump the granola right in this.
Yes, probably slowly.
How about I dump it all in and then you try to whisk it?
That's it, ready to go. Put it on the grill.
How many pancakes come with an order?
3 pancakes with an order.
That's a lot of pancake.
Aren't you hungry? I think that's it. Your order's already ready.
I'm intrigued with these granola pancakes. Good pancake.
Oh, good.
Got texture. You get some of the oat in there. You get some of the fresh fruit, some of the raisin, some of the hot pancake on your flip-flop. It's not super sweet. A really good pancake.
So moist and so much flavor in it.
Can you eat all those pancakes?
Oh, yeah.
Big portions of really delicious food.
Poached passion Florentina. Whatever he's doing back there, he's got it down.
Loaf for Johnny bread.
Cheap and it's so good.
Albert.
I love you guys sticking to it, keeping the business open, having it available to the college students. Congratulations. What a neat place, man.